Sabi ka, binidyo kita. Nandito na kami uli sa hotel. Tingnan mo, oh, mula nag-snow agad dito sa labas. Yan, dito na kami uli sa hotel. Super 8. Ang tirahan namin. 3 weeks na kami nandito. Dog food delivery.
Have a great big black cloud over our heads.
Yeah, it's a hail.
I thought it was going to break the window.
In the rodeo,
Yeah.
in the welcome center, we were there.
Oh,
We will in the rodeo. Tingin tayo ng food.
Tingnan natin yung food, kumakain ba natin?
Baka hindi tayo makakain na naman. Makakain ba natin? Sana toyo na lang ilagay nila dyan. Eh, ano yan? Sausage. Pag hindi na mainit dyan, hindi naman sarap.
Yeah, it's still what's this?
Kuha kami ng food namin. Oh.
Oh, I like that one now. Potato and else for diet.
Ha? Pipili lang kami.